If you are stuck in sales, customer support, or HR, your existing skills are already 80% of what it takes to become a business analyst. No, you do not need to write a single line of code to land a high-paying IT job. If you come from sales, banking, HR, or customer service, you can become a business analyst in 2026 without a computer science degree or programming background. Here is the exact step-by-step roadmap. The single biggest fear stopping non-IT professionals from switching careers is believing that every IT job requires coding. But tech companies spend billions on non-coding roles. As a business analyst, you aren't writing software programs, you are a business puzzle solver who bridges the gap between business leaders and technical teams. Let's look at a real-time example. Imagine a bank manager says, "Our customers are complaining because applying for a home loan takes 10 full days. The developers don't know what business rules to change, and the bank manager doesn't know how software works." The business analyst steps in, analyzes the manual approval steps, and designs a simplified digital workflow. You solved a massive business problem without writing any code. Your daily routine starts with requirements elicitation. Take a real e-commerce store as an example. The client asks for a faster checkout button. Instead of just building it, the BA runs a workshop and asks, "Why are users abandoning their carts?" You discover the real issue is that shipping costs are hidden until the final page. You dig out the real business problem through conversations. Next, you translate those conversations into documentation. In a real-time credit card project, you will write a BRD stating, "The goal is to allow users to apply for credit cards in under 3 minutes." Then, you write an FRD detailing the exact rule. When a user enters their ID number, auto-pull their credit score from the bureau within 5 seconds. These documents serve as the ultimate blueprint for the coders. Once documentation is ready, you walk the developers through every detail to clear up confusion. Then comes user acceptance testing, or UAT. For example, if you are building a food delivery app, you place a test order to verify that payment processes, delivery driver notifications trigger, and electronic receipts generate correctly. You confirm it works before real customers use it. Forget complex coding software. Your daily tools are clean and simple. You'll use Jira and Confluence to track project tasks and user stories, and tools like Visio, Excel, or Lucidchart to draw process flow diagrams. Learning basic SQL down the road is a nice bonus, but it is definitely not mandatory when starting out. If you already have experience in banking, healthcare, retail, or operations, you hold a massive advantage over fresh coders. Tech companies can easily teach software tools, but they desperately need people who understand how real businesses operate. Your industry domain knowledge is your biggest selling point. Watch out for 3 critical beginner traps. Never assume what a client wants, always ask clarifying questions. Don't wait until the last minute to involve your developers. And keep your documents simple, don't drown them in technical jargon. Remember the golden rule: listen 80% of the time and talk 20% of the time. Ready to build your non-coding career path today? Head over to baycareers.in right now to download free sample BRD and FRD templates, process flows, and interview guides. Subscribe to Career Growth Lab for simple, weekly guides, and drop your current job background in the comments below so I can personally help you map your transition.